Sorry, okay. See, mathematics. Basically, we are using the mathematics. So pure mathematics, like a theory. But we are using the engineering part. Mathematics is an application oriented. For example, we are using the curvature of the curve. This method, we are using the curve. So if we are using the curve, easily we can identify the curve, what it is. It is like a circle, or it is a ellipse, or it's a hyperbola. Same thing, we are using the matrices also. See, for example, we are using the application of matrices. Basically, we know that all the if we create the anything, whatever it will be, we give the 2 times of password like that, right? So if we are using the email ID, basically we are using 2. If we create first time, we are create the time. If we, whatever the thing, whatever the app we are using first time, we are entering the inside. We are basically we put the 2 times of password, right? First one is the normal password, and second one is the confirm password. Okay, so confirm. In this type of password, it is application of matrices. How it is applied the application of matrices? Let me see that. In this first time, if we create the password, right? In this application of matrices, basically we know that the basic of matrices is A transpose, or A transpose into A. It is equal to anything we know? I, very good. But if you are using the A, it is any condition of A is anything? Anyone? It is any condition of A? A is like a orthogonal matrix, right? Orthogonal matrix. So here, see, this is it. Then another one is there. So same thing, we are using the A into A inverse, right? A into A inverse, and then A inverse into A is equal to, anyone knows? A inverse into A into A inverse. It is also identity matrix, right? Identity matrix. Okay. In this application of matrices, basically in this methodology only we are using creating the password. Okay. So what type of password is like that means? First of all, we create the password. First password, normal password. Okay. That time you are entering the letters. For example, if you are using letters of Tamil, TAMIL. If you put the letter TAMIL, in this letter, we will put the input, it will be automatically will be split into the matrix. Every letter will be a matrix form. Okay, well? So first of all, if you put the letter, each and every letter, it will be split on matrices. Okay, well? It is like a A. It is like A. If we write it as a TAMIL like this. Okay, well? Next then is putting the confirm password, right? In this confirm password, it is A inverse. A inverse. It is like TAMIL. Okay, well? It is like this. So we know that A inverse into A. A inverse into A into A inverse is an identity matrix. Okay, well? So if we put in the A inverse, each and every letter we coordinate with the A inverse. We coordinate with the A inverse. So automatically it will create an identity matrix. It is called as what? Password. Okay, well? Normally we are saying that it is a password. But in mathematically, it is only this for what? It's an identity matrix. Actually, it is an identity matrix. So normally it is called it as what? Password. So in this technology, now this is a previous method because A inverse. First of all, we put the A and A inverse. It's a very longest process because we convert into A inverse. Like that, you know that the one way determinant A into adjoint A. But now it is increased as it is A into A transpose. A transpose into A is equal to I. In this methodology, now we are using. But in this methodology, now we are using means we are taking that A. It is now in starting from the beginning. We have to use the A is what matrix we have to take? It's a orthogonal matrix. So in this orthogonal matrix we have to use the taking of A. It is an orthogonal matrix. Now it is converted into a row matrix. First of all, A it will be taking on A. It is TAMIL. It is a row matrix. After that we are putting the A transpose. A transpose, it is converted into a column matrix. Now, as usual, that is also A transpose into A. A into A transpose is equal to I. So, in this methodology also, it is created on another technology of Pascal. But in this technology, we can use this in this technology. First of all, we have to take the A, it is with condition of orthogonal matrix. Okay, so this is the method of we are creating in our life, we are using in our daily life of concepts. Okay, so mathematically it is a what? It is an identity matrix. In normally we say that it is called a Pascal. Right. This is the background of mathematical matrices. Okay,